In the heart of the cozy woodland, inside a sun-washed kitchen wrapped in the arms of leafy green trees, the morning light danced merrily across polished wooden counters. Muffin the cat stood on a stool tying a pink apron around her fluffy white waist, her wooden spoon perched behind one ear. Bobo the Bear wore his oversized apron, already dusted with a sprinkle of flour, as he gently stirred honey into a pot on the stove. Bunbun the Bunny breezed in through the back door, a basket overflowing with fresh vegetables cradled in her paws and a sunny smile lighting up her soft grey face. And there was Pingping the Chick, perched excitedly at the end of the counter, his feathers fluffed up in anticipation and his big round eyes sparkling with the hope of creating something special today. On the table in front of him sat a mysterious package, small, glass, with a golden label that read, "Magic Flavor Powder." Pingping could hardly keep his wings from trembling as he turned the bottle over. Just then, Muffin tapped him on the shoulder.
"What's that, Pingping?"
It's magic flavor powder. I want to use it for sparkleberry pudding.
Sounds adventurous, Pingping. Let's give it a go.
Everyone gathered round as Pingping prepared the ingredients. Plump woodland berries tumbled into a bowl, their dark blue skins glistening. Fresh milk, cool and creamy, was slowly poured and gently mixed. Bunbun hopped up with a bowl of delicate leaf-green jelly, wiggling it so it shivered in the sunlight. But just as Pingping reached for his magic flavor powder, his gaze fell on a bright purple jar at the back of the shelf. Its label was turned away, but in his excitement, Pingping didn't notice. He grabbed it quickly and shook a generous sprinkle into the pudding mix. And that's when it happened. The bowl began to fizzle. First a trembling hum, like a bumblebee in spring, then boom! The pudding exploded into a puff of dazzling rainbow clouds. Sparkles burst forth in every direction, swirling and soaring up to the ceiling beams. Berries bounced over the counters, milk shimmered into glittering rivulets, and a gentle rain of jelly cubes settled onto the friends' fur and feathers. For a heartbeat there was silence, save for the twinkle of tiny magic stars settling in the flour canister. Then laughter erupted. Bobo tried to catch a falling berry in his apron, but it slipped and tumbled away. Bunbun giggled as she picked rainbow jelly cubes from her veggie basket. Muffin blinked, covered in sparkly flour, her spoon still in hand, then broke into a delighted grin.
Oh no, I must have grabbed the wrong jar.
"It's okay, Pingping. Mistakes help us learn and grow."
Sometimes the best surprises come from unexpected places.
Pingping smiled, blush warming his yellow cheeks. He scooped up a spoonful of the pudding, now shining with all the colors of the rainbow.
It's delicious, and it sparkles in your mouth.
One by one, the friends each took a spoonful. Even Bunbun, who swore by carrots and chard, couldn't help but savor a second helping. Together they had learned something wonderful about friendship and magical mistakes. The pudding fizzed gently on their tongues, leaving behind bursts of berry and magic, sweet and new. As the sun dipped lower outside the woodland window, the friends gathered around the table, nibbling on shimmering pudding, their laughter echoing through the kitchen rafters. Muffin jotted notes in her recipe book right next to sparkleberry pudding. Add a sprinkle of mystery and a spoonful of courage. Delicious results may vary. Together they cleaned up, making a little extra time for a sparkle fight with the leftover puffs of magic. By the time the kitchen glowed with the last rays of sunset, every creature had learned something wonderful. That sometimes the best recipes come from little mistakes, shared with friends, all in the light of a woodland afternoon. Warm, full, and cheerful, they promised to try something new again tomorrow, never afraid of a little sprinkle of magic.